Hi, I'm DJ Dwayne and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you about what I think is the #1 best budget-friendly wireless mic for YouTubers or for anybody that wants to use a wireless mic. And it's all coming up. Hi, thanks for watching. You know, about 4 months ago when I started my YouTube channel, I was looking around for a good mic that I could use to record my videos and my shorts. I started off trying a USB microphone, a Shure microphone that I used in voiceover, and I would set it on the table and it had good sound, but it wasn't really close enough, so I got a lot of room noise, a lot of echo. So that didn't work very well. So I went and bought a budget wireless microphone system, and they say
you get what you pay for.
It was about $25 and it worked okay, but it had more of a digital sound to it, not a nice smooth analog sound. So it really wasn't acceptable for the quality that I was looking for. So next I bought a lavalier microphone and I plugged that in. And it was really nice, had good quality. The only problem was a couple of times when I would get up and move around, it would yank the iPhone right off the tripod, and another time I tripped over the cable. So I thought, you know what, I need something else. So I looked around and I found what I feel is the best budget price system, and it is the Godox Movelink II M2 system. There are 4 different reasons I think this is best. #1 is the price. And you know, price is something you have to be looking at if you're on a budget. You get everything you need in this box for $199.
You just blew my mind.
Now, some people compare this to the DJI system, and DJI has wonderful equipment. I have a couple of drones that I absolutely love, but their microphone system will put you back a hefty $329. It does come with 2 transmitters and a receiver, but it doesn't have any lavalier mics. So if you like to use lav mics like I do, you got to fork out another 40 bucks or so for that, so you're up to about $370. For $199, you get everything you need right in the box. It gives you 2 of these lovely transmitters right here, and of course a receiver that I'm using right here. It also has a very nice charging case. Looks kind of like a pair of glasses case. Really nice case.
Be sure to wear proper eye protection.
And you open it up and there's the other transmitter. The transmitters sit in here along with the receiver. Now there's magnets in here that hold these right in place so that they'll charge perfectly when you put them in. And that's the great thing about it. Just go ahead and plug it in right here and you can charge them all up. So for $199 you get everything in the box with one exception. There is one exception.
I knew it!
If you're using an iPhone, you will need a TRRS to lightning cable adapter to plug onto their TRS to TRRS cable. So you need that. And I've got links in the description to all the equipment we talk about here today. Now, quality, #2, is very important. I mean, it's no good if you get something for a great price, but the quality isn't there.
Son of a nutcracker!
The build on this thing is really well. This is a very sturdy case. The transmitters are built really well. The buttons have a nice detent to them. You push that in, hold it in, it will turn on and it will link. It's really a nice build, good quality, and I like the fact that it's got nice audio sound to it. Right now I'm recording just on the internal microphone on the iPhone 12 Pro, so you can hear how that sounds. And now we're back on the lavalier mic, recording with the Godox Wireless 2 system. And now I'm just talking directly on the microphone that's built in to the Godox transmitters. So that's a comparison for you so you can see the difference in those. It uses a 2.4 gigahertz system with frequency hopping technology, which is really cool because what it does is it will switch channels if it detects any interference to help prevent any kind of disturbance or interference or noise in your reception. The predecessor to this unit, the M2, was the M1, and the range on that one was about 50 meters. This one now doubles it to 100 meters, or about 328 feet. Now, I haven't tested it out that far because normally when I'm shooting my shorts,
Yeah, baby! Yeah.
I'm only about 3 to 5 feet away from the camera, so I really don't need that distance. But you certainly can do it, and why don't I get up right now and we'll walk back here a ways. Okay, right now I'm talking at about 20 feet away. What I'm going to do is climb over the wall here, hopefully not fall over anything, and try to go back a little further. This is about 30 feet away. Now I'm going to go down a little further and going down a little hill here, about 40 feet. And now we're probably about 50 feet away. There we go. Can you see me now? So we're about 50 feet away right now, hopefully still hearing everything just fine. that's how it is from a distance away, and really, really nice. Works much better than using the internal iPhone microphone, because I know you wouldn't have heard anything at all. It does have a great range, and it's really nice for those of you that are maybe doing outdoor shooting, out doing nature shots.
Just let nature take its course.
Or whatever, if you need to walk a long way from the camera. Although if you're if you're 300 feet away from the camera, I don't know that they'd even see your image on the screen. So
Can you people not see me?
but it is nice to know that it has that. So the quality is really great. Ease of use, this is run and gun. As soon as I pull it out,
Excuse me while I whip this out.
it's ready to go. And that's the nice thing about this charging case. 1.5 hours, it gives you a full charge to give you 8 to 10 hours of recording. And I use it every day for recording my shorts. I do 2 or 3 of those a day. And usually I won't have to charge it up. Maybe about every 1.5 weeks I'll charge it up. Pull it out of the box, push the buttons, plug it in, and I'm recording, and I don't have to worry about it. Number 4 is combination. Its features and versatility. Like I said, the nice thing about this is both transmitters can record monorally onto the same channel, or you can record in stereo. So you have one on the left channel and one on the right channel. And this is nice if you're, say, miking 2 different people whose levels are really different, and you want to be able to adjust them in post afterwards and make sure that you get them equalized out. So it's nice to be able to record them on separate channels, so you have that ability to do it. It's really easy to change the volume on the receiver. What you do, there's plus and minus button, and you just click on either the plus or the minus button, short tap, it will increase or decrease the volume by 1 decibel. If you want to do it more gradually, just hold on to it, long press, and it will gradually increase or decrease the volume. When you do that, it will change the volume on both channels simultaneously, but if you want to be able to control either A or B, just short tap the power button and then hit on the plus or minus, and whichever channel's icon is flashing, that's the one that will be changing. So you can change both channels independently, which is really nice, again, if you're recording 2 separate people and one has a much more powerful voice than the other person. You can adjust their volumes independently before you record to try to get them more equalized out. So that's a great feature. And again, the feature I like is 100 meters, 328 feet. It's nice if you want to do a lot of shooting a long way from the camera. Versatility, that's what I like about this. It will work with cameras or it will work with smartphones. They give you the TRS to TRS cable to use with cameras, or the TRS to TRRS to use with smartphones. Really, really nice. And like I say, the only other thing you need if you're using an iPhone is the TRRS to Lightning adapter, which you can get at Amazon for about $15 to $18, and I do have links in the description below. Also, the receiver has a headphone jack, so that if you had someone else who was recording, they could plug in a set of headphones and monitor the audio to make sure that it's sounding good. So that's another nice feature that this system really has. The one downside, the only thing that I would say that is missing from this that you can get on the DJI, it will record locally on the individual transmitters. It will record a file as you're recording. So you have a backup in case you get a bad connection between the transmitter and the receiver. You've got a backup file on the transmitters. Now this system doesn't have that, but remember, again, it's $199 compared to $329, or if you throw in the lavalier mic cost, it's about $370. So for the price, this thing is just absolutely amazing. Now I like to record with lavalier mics, and you get 2 lav mics with the system, but a lot of people will just record with the transmitter itself, and it comes with 2 of these. Some people call them dead cats or wind muffs. You can take this and then clip it with the clip onto your jacket or lapel and record with that. But I don't normally like to use that when I'm doing up close-up videos, because it kind of sticks out like a sore thumb.
Thing sticks out like a sore thumb.
So I prefer the lavalier. But if you're doing something out in the open and you're distance away, this is an easy way to go. It's funny, some people had complained that it was a little hard to get this windscreen off, but you know what? That's a great thing, actually. I find that very good, because so many windscreens, oops, it is hard to get off. Well, maybe it's on there for good. Oh, hey, got it off. Okay.
Super strong.
Okay, very good. So we got that. Put this transmitter back in here. And like I say, they give you everything you need with this. And funnily enough, they actually give you 3 USB charging cables. So I guess you could charge each individual transmitter and receiver separately if you wanted to. I really don't know why you do that, because you just plug one into here, an hour and a half later it's fully charged and you're ready to go. So That's my choice for the best budget-friendly wireless mic is the Godox Movelink II M2. I love this thing. Like I say, got links in the description down below. I hope you'll check it out. If you get it, I know you'll love it. I'm sure as much as I do. And I hope you found this interesting and helpful today. If you did, please click on the like button. And if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe because that really does help our channel grow. Appreciate it very much. Don't forget to check out my shorts, so to speak. I record usually 2 or 3 of those every day and then a long form like this on occasion. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon.